Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine at home. You revised your previous lesson also. Today we will revise lesson 5, the noun, which is given on page number 21. What is a noun? A word which is used as the name of a person, animal, place or thing is called a noun. Noun is a naming word also. Now see the number 1. Amit is reading a book. Number 2. The cat is a domestic animal. Number 3. She lives in Agra. Number 4. He cuts apple with a knife. Now in sentence 1, the word Amit is the name of a person. Amit is the name of a person. In sentence 2, the word cat is the name of an animal. In sentence 3, the word Agra is the name of a place. In sentence 4, the word knife is the name of a thing. Now children, what is common nouns? Common nouns are the names of people, animal, places or things of the same kind. For example, person, animals, places or things. These are all the common nouns. Persons, actor, carpenter, doctor, electrician, as well as animals as bull, cat, dog. Places, airport, bank, church, depot. Things, almirah, book, computer and desk. Now let's see the proper noun. What is a proper noun? Proper noun are the special names given to a certain common nouns. They always begin with the capital letters. The following are regarded as proper nouns. Here, some personal name of Indira Gandhi, Manmohan Singh, Raj Kapoor, Sachin Tendulkar and Kapil Dev. These all names are proper noun. It always begins with a capital letter. And Pratibha Patil. Next is names of countries. India, China, Egypt, Canada, Russia, Brazil. These all names are also proper nouns and it begins with the capital letter. Names of cities. Agra, Mumbai, Kanpur, Kolkata. These also start with a capital letter, so it is a proper noun. Now, Lucknow, Chennai, these are also names of cities. Begins with a capital letter. It is a proper noun. Now, let's see collective noun. Collective nouns are words for groups of people, animals or things. I repeat, collective nouns are words for groups of people, animals or things. Now, army. Army is a collective noun. A group of soldiers. Bouquet. Bouquet is a collective noun. Okay. A group of flowers. Bunch. A group of keys or grapes. Crew, a group of sailors. Now the next one is abstract noun, which is given on page number 24. Abstract nouns are words for feelings that cannot be seen or touched. We cannot see or touch abstract nouns. Okay? They are only feelings. Some following nouns are regarded as abstract noun, the name of a quality, action or state. Quality, it shows a mercy, courage, boldness and compassion. Action, cry, laugh, smile and punishment. State, adulthood, boyhood, freedom and health. The names of arts and sciences are also abstract nouns. As you know that abstract nouns we cannot see or touch. Okay? Physics, literature, mathematics and grammar. Now next is material nouns. A material noun is the name of the substance from which objects are prepared. For example, diamond is the hardest substance. Jewelry is made up of diamond. So diamond is what? Material noun. Gold is a precious yellow metal. This yellow metal is made up of gold. So gold is a material noun. Silver is a precious shiny greyish white metal. So silver is a material noun. Plastic is a synthetic material. So which material is a plastic? Synthetic. So plastic is what? Material noun. So diamond, gold, silver, plastic, these are all material noun. Let's begin the noun number. Rules example for singular and plural. Rule number 1. Most nouns are made plural by adding s to the end of the singular form. For example, car, cars, bag, bags, table, tables. Rule number 2. Nouns ending in s, x, z, ch, sh or ss adding es. For example, bus, buses, bench, benches, box, boxes. Rule number 3. Nouns ending in f or fe change the ending to ves. Calf, calves, shelf, shelves, wolf, wolves. Rule number 4. Noun ending in o. Nouns that end in o preceded by a vowel are made plural by adding s. For example, radio, radios, stereo, stereos, video, videos. Rule number 5. Nouns that end in o preceded by a consonant are made plural by adding es. For example, potato, potatoes, hero, heroes, domino, dominoes. Rule number 6. Nouns ending in y, when the y follows a consonant, change y to I and add es. For example, city, cities, candy, candies, lady, ladies. Now let's see another rule. Rule number 7. When the Y follows a vowel, the plural is formed by retaining the Y and adding S. Day, days. Toy, toys. Donkey, donkeys. We have already learned about the singular and plural forms of nouns. Singular forms of a word denotes just one, and plural forms of a word denotes more than one or many. Today we will revise lesson 6, the noun number, which is given on page number 34. Exercise A. Write the plural forms of the following nouns. Balloon will become balloons. Egg will become eggs. Beach will become beaches. This is the singular form and this is the plural form. Now atlas, atlases. Class, classes. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Army, armies. Now in singular noun, army, A-R-M-Y. So when we will write in plural, we will drop Y, and what we will write here? Armies, A-R-M-I-E-S. Now trophy will become trophies. We will drop the Y and we will write here I-E-S. Trophy, trophies. Monkey will become monkeys. Kangaroo will become kangaroos. Zero, zeros. Buffalo, buffaloes. Flamingo will become flamingos. Foot will become feet. Louse, lice. Man, men. Child will become children.